Coconut farming is a profitable business venture if properly planned and maintained. Many people are already doing this business and making a good profit, because both the demand and the value of coconut and its products are very high. Coconut is a popular and versatile fruit, which plays an important role in human life in all aspects of trees, fruits, and oil. Many also call it the tree of life. There are numerous health benefits of coconut. The liquid that is found in green coconuts or coconut water is very nutritious. At the same time, its pulp is used for eating. Every part of the coconut tree is used in some form or another which increases its commercial value. Dear viewers, today we will know why coconuts are cultivated. We will discuss all aspects of coconut cultivation step by step. Salinity tolerant. This tree is suitable for cultivation in all types of soil. Even after that, preferred soil types for growing coconut plants are loamy, laterite, coastal sandy, alluvial, clayey, and reclaimed soils of the marshy lowlands. In selecting varieties, you can use local improved varieties or high-yielding hybrid varieties. Choose mature, 10 to 12-month-old coconuts. Coconuts that are medium-sized, have a lot of water, and do not make noise when shaken are good. Make sure that the fruit is not affected by insects or diseases. Generally, it is best to collect seeds from September to October at the end of the rainy season. If desired, seedlings can be made in April to May during the summer, but you will have to water them regularly. You can soak the seed coconuts in water for 3 to 5 days to accelerate germination. Then, bury the coconuts halfway down or upside down in sand or soft soil. Lay them out in rows, and choose a warm and light ventilated place. Water occasionally, but make sure that the water does not stagnate. The seedlings will germinate within 3 to 6 months. When the seedlings have 6 to 8 leaves and reach the age of 12 to 14 months, they are ready to be planted in the main soil. Protect the seedlings from weeds and insects until planting. Place the germinated coconut or seedlings in the middle of the hole. Keep the coconut half under the soil and half outside. Seedlings should be planted at a distance of 20 to 25 feet. Press the base of the seedling well so that there is no wind. Give light irrigation after planting. Fence the seedling with bamboo or wood to protect it from cows/goats. In very hot or cold weather, shade can be provided with jute or straw. An adult tree needs an average of 400 to 500 grams of urea, 200 to 300 grams of TSP, 500 grams of MOP, and 20 to 25 kilograms of cow dung per year. Regular watering should be given during the dry season. Usually, it starts bearing fruit after 5 to 7 years. 50 to 100 coconuts can be obtained from an adult tree per year. And hybrid coconut tree flowers in just 18 months, and the harvest of the first mature nuts comes 27 months after planting. Hybrid coconut tree when they reach 4 years old and older, the trees produce, on average, 250 coconuts per year. Weeding regularly is very important for healthy plants. Weeds consume nutrients from the soil, and your coconut plant will suffer. So, try to keep your field free from weeds.